Hey there, traders and aspiring traders! Welcome back to Self-Improve, the place where we bring you valuable insights into the world of finance and investing. Today, we're diving deep into the art of making money through trading. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this video is for you! First things first, let's understand the basics of trading. Trading involves buying and selling financial assets, such as stocks, commodities, or currencies, in the hope of making a profit. It's essential to grasp concepts like market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders to navigate the trading world effectively. Next, it's crucial to determine your trading style. Are you a day trader, swing trader, or a long-term investor? Each style comes with its own set of strategies and risks. Make sure to pick the one that suits your personality, risk tolerance, and time commitment. Trading isn't all about profits, it's also about managing risks. Always use proper risk management techniques like setting stop-loss orders, diversifying your portfolio, and never risking more than you can afford to lose. To make informed decisions, you'll need to learn about technical and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis involves studying price charts, patterns, and indicators, while fundamental analysis focuses on analyzing the financial health and news surrounding an asset. Selecting the right trading platform is critical. Do your research, compare fees, user interfaces, and the range of assets available. Make sure it aligns with your trading style and goals. The financial markets are ever-changing. To stay ahead, invest in continuous learning. Read books, follow financial news, attend webinars, and consider taking trading courses. When you start trading, don't go all in. Begin with a small amount of capital and gradually increase it as you gain experience and confidence. Remember, patience is key. Trading can be an emotional roller coaster. It's crucial to understand the psychological aspects of trading. Emotions like fear and greed can cloud your judgment, so practice discipline and control. Lastly, always review your trading performance. What worked? What didn't? Adapt your strategies based on your results and market conditions. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide on how to make money in trading. Remember, trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it requires dedication, discipline, and continuous learning. So, stay focused, stay informed, and may the markets be ever in your favor! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to your channel name, for more valuable content on trading and investing. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy trading!